Capacitor. A capacitor is used in electrical circuits to store electrical charge and to help in starting and running electric motors. Types of capacitor. In HVAC systems, the following types of capacitors are used. 1. Running capacitor. A running capacitor is connected in series with the starting winding and remains in the circuit continuously during motor operation. Its function is to improve the motor's efficiency and provide better running performance. This capacitor helps the motor to run smoothly and reduces power consumption. 2. Starting capacitor. A starting capacitor is connected in the circuit only at the time of motor starting. It provides extra torque to the motor at startup and helps the motor start easily. Once the motor reaches a certain speed, this capacitor is disconnected from the circuit. 3. Fan capacitor. A fan capacitor works in the same way as a running capacitor. It is used to run fan motors and ceiling fans smoothly and efficiently.